Hello friends, it's me Rup. You are welcome to my channel Rup-Digital-Log, and today I'm going to show you how to use this Google Drive. But before knowing this one, you must understand what actually the Google Drive is. Google Drive is one of the different types of cloud storage media. Cloud storage means we can store our important files, our folders, our important documents, our videos in the server somewhere in the internet. We can store them, and then we can retrieve them, we can use them throughout the world. These days you don't have to carry your CD, DVD or pen drive, no need to carry your data in them. Now easily you can upload your things and then you can get them easily. Your license, your ID card or your CV, any important documents you upload into your account, and whenever and wherever you need, you easily download them and use them. This is the concept of cloud storage, and there are many such a cloud storage system like Box, Dropbox, Mega, OneDrive, Apple iCloud, iDrive. There are many such examples, but today I'm going to talk about Google Drive. So let's see now. Here is Google, and you can see here Drive. Today I'm talking about here a Drive, but before using this Drive, be sure first of all you have kept your or you have signed in your account or not in the Google. So I check here my ID in this Google, and then whether I have uploaded my ID or not. Now I click on this one. Now see, in this list I don't have my ID, so I'm going to add my account first. Add another account here. I click on this, and then now I have to give my email. This is my ID I want to keep here, and now password. I agree. Now it has been signed in. I just check it. See, this is my account here. I use it. Then only now I go to this Drive. Now I click on this Drive. Now I show you my files and folders what I have used in my account. See, I click on this one, and now this is my actual ID. See, all these are the folders. You can see all these are folders and files. See what I have done. See, you can see in this way we can keep our folders, files like this. You can see inside this Rup also what I have kept inside, like my notes. You can see there my application, citizenship card. You can see here citizenship card. It's curriculum vitae also. In this way I have kept my important things in this Google Drive. Now the question is how to keep like this. Now I show you how to keep. Now I go back. For example, now I am in the first home screen. Now I go to albums. And see, for example, this is the photograph of my license or bill book or any type of very important document. And now I want to share this, I want to upload this into my Google account. Then how do I do? And now I click on this share at the bottom. You can see here share, and that share button can be different according to your mobile brand. Now I have this type of share. I click on this share. Then after I have to choose here Google Drive, save to drive. You can see here save to drive. I click on this save to drive. Okay, the application, the location and then interface can be different according to your mobile brand, but you can see every mobile does have Google Drive. Now I want to give one name to this picture, suppose photo 1, and where to save, in which account you want to use. Then click here, my account is here, and if you have created any one folder inside, then you can create, for example, now here I click. See, these are the files and folders already I have kept, and suppose now I want to create one separate folder. Then I should click on this at the right corner, at the topmost right corner, plus button here. I create on a folder, suppose testing is my folder, and I click on this create button, and I click on here select at the bottom, select. See, now I'm going to save this photo one inside this testing, and click on save here. At the bottom you can see here save button. Click on this. Yes, good. Now one file has been now uploaded inside. Similarly, I want to keep this video also. I click on this share button and save to drive. Suppose Anand Bhai, and now click on this save. In this way now I have kept two files, two folders inside, and if I want to see this one, I go back. Now what I have uploaded, now I want to see it. Now I go to this Google again and drive, and then my folder here, see testing. Inside testing, see there are two files, two photos. In this way you can upload your videos also, very important documents you keep inside, because sometimes your pen drive can be failed, sometimes your CD DVD cannot run properly, cannot operate. So wherever you go now throughout the world, you upload your important documents in your cloud storage in Google Drive, then you retrieve from anywhere, from any place. So it's very good for you, everybody. It's very important in your digital life. Now I'm going back. Now after this I want to show you what other things you can do here. All these are your important files and folders. What can I do other things? For example, I click on here. If I want to remove, then I click on this delete button. Okay, I click on this remove, and then just you press remove, and now see one item now removed. And then where that goes after you remove them, it goes here. You click on this three button, click on this trash option here, trash. And then after testing, I had removed this one, testing, I click on this testing, and then now take out of trash means you click on this trash. Again then I got this file in the same place outside. That means now I go back and I can see that testing here in the same place. And similarly then, how can I share these files and folders? For example, I want to share one folder here, my website. I just click on this and I want to share this one. Now I have to give email ID like Prasun and Pristina, this way. And now to share this one, I just click on this send button here. Now you got the message people edit. That means this folder has been now shared to two other people. In this way we can share it. Similarly, you can make some folders as your start folder. For example, I want to make this start also. I just click here and add to start. Add to start means very important files and folders, you can make them as start. And that goes to start folder having such a star sign. See, I have already made some folders as start. See, similarly, you just click on this one, remove from start. You can get this back also from here. You click on this one and that removes from that one. And you can change the color also. Change color. You can change color like this. And then you can see here in the grid box how you want to see. In a list, this is the grid view. And you click on this is now list view. This is list view. In this way we can do. And here this plus button. Click on this plus. You can create a new folder or you can upload the things from here also. You can share like this and select it. See, waiting to upload is coming. Now that one now, where is it? See, it has been uploaded. In this way you can do the work with Google Drive. And similarly at the bottom you can see other 4 items like this one is files and folders it shows. And here you can see some start files and folders, and then you can see from here also this one it shows the files and folders other people have shared to you, other people have sent to you, and this one is home button. In this way now you have understood how to use Google Drive this much. And finally then you can click on this home button, and here also you can see here recent, offline, recently as your activities have been recorded here. You go back, and similarly you can You can see here some trash and notification, backup settings. You can see other things. At the bottom you can see here 10.9 GB I have used out of 15 GB because Google gives you 15 GB free space with each Google account. That's why till now I'm using here free, but after I cross this one, then I have to buy the storage. I can buy it easily. Now I'm going back from here. Okay, I hope you all have understood very well how to use Google Drive. In this way, every activities, whatever you do, that can be recorded into Google Drive. And certainly we will meet in another video. And finally, I want to request you, if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it, share it, and then you click on that bell icon also, so that you can get such a notification of my new videos. And once again, I want to thank you all for watching my video. Have a good time. Bye bye.